Tell me when to go.
Okay, let's see what happens when we put 3 marshmallows in the microwave. Okay, Ryan. Go ahead, close the bud. This is number 3.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what happens. What do you think's gonna happen?
Oh, Dad, you're.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that one's gonna go over. Holy cow, man! Oh my gosh, Ryan. Oh my god, Ryan's gonna tip over. Holy huge. I think Mom's gonna kill you if that thing drips over. Look how big they are. Oh, they're still growing.
They are? No.
Ryan, if I were you, you may want to stop it because it looks like it's gonna. That's awesome though. Are you melting down now?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, I feel so weird, Dad. Feel it.
Alright, now you have to eat them.
Yeah.